solemnly bound themselves in wedlock before these witnesses, it gives me great pleasure to pronounce you husband and wife. Congratulations.
Carefulness and supportness and of course love.
She cared me a lot, she loved me a lot, and between us we have the main things, we understand each other very well.
My name is Paras and today I'm very happy, like Habib and Inga, they got married and I'm the driver of the Habib and Inga and driving from there, and we have the lovely journey.
She's a very good sister. I think she will be a very good wife for his husband.
And I wish them all the best and yeah, be lucky, happy and healthy all the life.
Maybe tonight we are going to enjoy the big party in my restaurant. So dance and music, everything, and nice buffet and nice food today we are going to prepare for this occasion.
All our friends here, especially Santosh Bhai, Paras Bhai, my friend is Adnan, and they did lots of things for us.
You are my love, I feel you in my heart. You are my love, I feel you in my heart. You are my world, I just can't live apart. 'Cause you're my heart and you're my soul. If you're not here, I'm all alone. Oh baby, live in me, and I know this right. मेरी आशिकी अब तुम ही हो. Every day I miss you, baby. Every night I miss your touch. And this feeling takes my heart down and down, yeah. My nights are sleepless, baby, and I know you feel the same. So stop making things go round and round. जब से है मिला मुझे साथ तेरा, हर लम्हा हुआ मेरा. 'Cause you're my heart and you're my soul. If you're not here, I'm all alone. Oh baby, live in me, and I know this right. मेरी आशिकी अब तुम ही हो. क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो. जिंदगी अब तुम चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी अब तुम ही हो.
Good morning. My name is Anne-Marie McQuaid, Registrar of Civil Marriages for this jurisdiction. I would like to welcome you all here to join with Ashan and Inga in the solemnisation of their marriage. We are gathered here in order that this man and this woman should be joined together in the covenant of marriage. This is a union not to be taken lightly, inadvisably or thoughtlessly, but with true love and commitment. Ashan and Inga, you both formally attended in the presence of a civil registrar on the 30th of June, and on that occasion a declaration was signed by you both, stating that there is no impediment of kindred or alliance or other lawful hindrance to your marriage, and that the consent of every person whose consent to such marriage is by law required has been duly obtained. I do solemnly require and call on you both to now make a verbal declaration in the presence of your witnesses to reaffirm that there is still no impediment of kindred or alliance or other lawful hindrance to your marriage today. So, Ashan, if you would repeat after me, please. I do solemnly and sincerely declare that I know not of any lawful impediment why I, Ashan, may not be joined in matrimony to you, Inga. And then, Inga, if you repeat after me. I do solemnly and sincerely declare that I know not of any lawful impediment why I, Inga, may not be joined in matrimony to you, Ashan.
Thank you.
And Ashan, do you understand the declarations you have made? Do you understand the declarations that you've made? Yeah. And have you made these declarations of your own free will and without duress? Have you made the declaration of your own free will? Don't talk to anybody else. This is asking you if you're here of your own free will and nobody forcing you to get ready. That's why you're not allowed to look at them for answers. And Inga, do you understand the declarations you have made?
Yes.
And have you made these declarations of your own free will and without duress? Ashan, will you have this woman to be your wedded wife? Will you love her and comfort her in sickness and in health?
Yeah.
And Inga, will you have this man to be your wedded husband? Will you love him and comfort him in sickness and in health?
Yes.
Now I'll ask you to turn to face each other just to exchange your vows. So Inga, if you turn to face Ashan, and Ashan, if you turn to face Inga. Just turn, yeah. And Ashan, if you repeat after me.
Okay.
I call upon
these
persons here present
this person here is present
to witness that I, Ashan, do take you, Inga, to be my lawful wedded wife. And then Inga, if you repeat after me. I call upon these persons here present to witness that I, Inga, do take you, Ashan, to be my lawful wedded husband. So having exchanged your vows, it is a custom to also exchange rings as a symbol of love and a token that you will fulfill your promises to each other. If you place the ring on Inga's finger and repeat after me. I give you this ring as a token that I will love and honour you. And then Inga, if you place the ring on Ashan's finger. I give you this ring as a token that I will love and honour you. By virtue of the authority vested in me by the Civil Registration Act of 2004, as Ashan and Inga have solemnly bound themselves in wedlock before these witnesses, it gives me great pleasure to pronounce you husband and wife. Congratulations. You may kiss your bride if you wish.
कब सीधी राह चला है, राह मुड़े तो मुड़ जाने दो।
तेरे ख्याल में डूब के अक्सर अच्छी लगी तन्हाई, सांस में तेरी सांस मिली तो मुझे सांस आई, मुझे सांस आई, मुझे सांस
छलकी लगती है।
मुझको फिर से छू के बोलो मेरी कसम क्या खाए, सांस में तेरी सांस मिली तो मुझे सांस आई, मुझे सांस आई, मुझे सांस
छूली जिस्म की खुशबू, तू जो पास आई, तू जो पास आई, तू जो पास आई, जो पास आई। सुनो ना संग मरमर कि ये मीनारे कुछ भी नहीं है आगे तुम्हारे, आज से दिल पे मेरे राज तुम्हारा, ताज तुम्हारा। सुनो ना संग मरमर की ये मीनारे, कुछ भी नहीं है आगे तुम्हारे। आज से दिल पे मेरे राज तुम्हारा, ताज तुम्हारा। सुनो ना संग मरमर की ये मीनारे। बिन तेरे मध्यम मध्यम भी चल रही थी धड़कन। जब से मिले तुम हमें आंचल से तेरे बंधे, दिल उड़ रहा है। सुनो ना आसमानों के ये सितारे, कुछ भी नहीं है आगे तुम्हारे। आज से दिल पे मेरे राज तुम्हारा, ताज तुम्हारा। सुनो ना संग मरमर की ये मीनारे।
First of all, good evening everybody. On this nice occasion, is a wedding occasion with Habib and Inga. Sorry. And now I want to say everybody to thank you for the coming with this occasion. And now we are going to celebrate this nice occasion, and whole night we are going to drink and dance everything. मुबारक हो तुमको ये शादी तुम्हारी, सदा खुश रहो तुम, दुआ है हमारी। I want to invite my boss, Mr. Brian, and if you can come and just say something about the couple.
Habib, I wasn't prepared for this, to be totally honest. And Justin is breaking his heart laughing at me. No, really, Habib, you've been really good for here, and you are really good at this job and blah, blah, you know. I really don't know what to say, but congratulations to the two of you, and hopefully more memories in the job. All I can say is congratulations anyway.
मेरे उस्ताद मोहम्मद भाई, please, if you can kindly come and just speak about something nice couple, please. Thank you.
आपको मुबारक हो भाईजान, आपकी शादी सही है ना, तो हमारी तो दुआ है आपके लिए. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
Inga brother, please.
You both look very nice today, pretty, and I will wish this to live together, spend very good time, with with lot of children, yeah, more than 2. Yeah, and I wish you luck. Yeah, thank you.
Justin bhai, please, if you can come and say something about this nice couple, please.
Everything in their life, all the dreams come true. Leave after, make their dreams come true. That's all. Nothing else.
Inga brother's wife, please.
It's a pleasure to be here, and you are so beautiful, and we are happy to see you in this special day. And I would like to say all the best for you. Be happy, love each other, be healthy, and all the best.
Habib and Inga, wish you a very happy married life, and thank you for inviting me for this wonderful evening. Thank you very much.
दिल खो गया अब रास्ता मिल गया खुशी का, आँखों में है ख्वाब सा किसी का, अब रास्ता मिल गया खुशी का, रिश्ता नया रब्बा दिल छू रहा है, खींचे मुझे कोई डोर तेरी ओर, तेरी ओर, तेरी ओर, तेरी ओर है रब्बा, तेरी ओर, तेरी ओर, तेरी ओर, तेरी ओर, तेरी ओर, तेरी ओर है रब्बा, तेरी ओर, तेरी ओर, तेरी
खुलती फिजाएं, खुलती घटाएं, सर पे नया है आसमां, चारों दिशाएं हंस के बुलाएं, क्यों सब हुए हैं मेहरबान।
हमें तो यही रब्बा कसम से पता है, दिल पे नहीं कोई जोर, कोई जोर, तेरी ओर, तेरी ओर, तेरी ओर है रब्बा, तेरी ओर, तेरी ओर, तेरी ओर, तेरी ओर, तेरी ओर, तेरी ओर है रब्बा, तेरी ओर, तेरी ओर, तेरी
हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा। हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा। तुझसे जुदा अगर हो जाएंगे तो खुद से हो जाएंगे जुदा, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो। तेरा मेरा रिश्ता है कैसा, एक पल दूर गवारा नहीं, तेरे लिए हर रोज है जीते, तुझको दिया मेरा वक्त सभी, कोई लम्हा मेरा ना हो तेरे बिना, हर सांस पे नाम तेरा। क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो। तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो। चैन भी मेरा दर्द भी मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो। चैन भी मेरा दर्द भी मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो।
पहली नजर में कैसा जादू कर दिया, तेरा बन बैठा है मेरा जिया। जाने क्या होगा क्या पता, इस पल को मिलके आज ही ले जरा। मैं हूँ यहाँ, तू है यहाँ, मेरी बाहों में आ भी जा। ओ जा रे जा, दोनों जहां मेरी बाहों में आ भूल जा। ओ जा रे जा, दोनों जहां मेरी बाहों में आ भूल जा।
Baby, I love you. Baby, I love you. Baby, I love you. Baby, I love you so. Baby, I love you. Oh, I love you. I love you. I love you so. Baby, I love you.
हर दुआ में शामिल तेरा प्यार है, बिन तेरे लम्हा भी दुश्वार है। धड़कनों को तुझसे ही दरकार है, तुझसे राहते तुझसे चाहते। हर दुआ में शामिल तेरा प्यार है, बिन तेरे लम्हा भी दुश्वार है। धड़कनों को तुझसे ही दरकार है, तुझसे राहते तुझसे चाहते। तू जो मिली एक दिन मुझे, मैं कहीं हो गया लापता। ओ जा रे जा, दोनों जहां मेरी बाहों में आ भूल जा। ओ जा रे जा, दोनों जहां मेरी बाहों में आ भूल जा। कर दिया दीवाना दर्द खास ने, चैन छीना इश्क के एहसास ने। बेख्याली दी है तेरी प्यास ने, शायद जरूर है कुछ तो जरूर है। कर दिया दीवाना दर्द खास ने, चैन छीना इश्क के एहसास ने। बेख्याली दी है तेरी प्यास ने, शायद जरूर है कुछ तो जरूर है।
ये दूरियां जीने ना दे, हाल मेरा तुझे ना पता। ओ जाने जा दोनों जहां, मेरी बाहों में आ भूल जा। ओ जाने जा दोनों जहां, मेरी बाहों में आ भूल जा।
Baby, I love you. Baby, I love you. Baby, I love you. Baby, I love you so. Baby, I love you. Ooh, I love you. Baby, I love you. I love you.
I know you want it, but you're never gonna get it. तेरे हाथ कभी ना आनी, माने ना माने कोई दुनिया ये सारी मेरे इश्क की है दीवानी। Hey you, I know you want it, but you're never gonna get it. तेरे हाथ कभी ना आनी, माने ना माने कोई दुनिया ये सारी मेरे इश्क की है दीवानी। अब दिल करता है हौले हौले से मैं तो खुद को गले लगाऊं, किसी और की मुझको जरूरत क्या, मैं तो खुद से ही प्यार जताऊं। What's my name? What's my name? What's my name? My name is Sheila. Sheila की जवानी, I'm too sexy for you. मैं तेरे हाथ ना आनी, no 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 no. Sheila, Sheila की जवानी, I'm too sexy for you. मैं तेरे हाथ ना आनी।
साला आंखों से बलात्कार करता है इनकी तो।
Silly, silly, silly boys, so silly. मुझे follow करते हैं, हाँ, जब उनकी तरफ देखो बातें हर करते हैं, मगर बेअसर मुझ पे हर बेतरा।
हाय रे ऐसे दर से हमको हो गए सोहर से रे, सूखे दिल पे मेघा बन के तेरी नजरिया बरसे रे।
I know you want it, but you're never gonna get it. तेरे हाथ कभी ना आनी। शीला की जवानी, I'm too sexy for you. मैं तेरे हाथ ना आनी, no 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 no. शीला की जवानी, I'm too sexy for you. मैं तेरे हाथ ना आनी।
shot so